No, that's in the air, and it's caught and brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Was fantastic. Back he goes, takes it in one hand, has the presence of mind to throw it up, gets back, and that's where the athleticism comes in.
Oh. Aaron Finch goes high. Has he got it enough? No, I don't think he has. It's taken and thrown back in. That's fantastic stuff. Russo gets the catch. An assist out there from Fafja.
And gone, that is a beauty. What an amazing take. You won't see any better. Engelbrecht, who has come into the side, has pulled off a stunner.
It's a quick delivery, big swing of the bat. Oh, look at that. That is, well, all he's missing is a cape. Superman.
That is one of the best catches I reckon I've ever seen. From the young...
You've kept in your pocket. What a catch! Andy Bickle. Has he done the right thing?
Oh, you got to get this out. What's with it? I tell you, I've seen this done before where players have actually been penalised. Yeah, he's thrown it out before he's gone over, but I've seen that questioned in the past.
It's in the air. Drakes is down there. And it goes over his head, completely misjudges it. He's got it. He's got it. My goodness gracious, I can't believe that he's got it. There was no way he was going to catch that. He came in, the ball was over his head. There was no way he was going to catch it. And he did.
Outstanding catch in the end. He was totally out of position, Vasper Drakes. What a blinder. That is a magnificent catch. He's flying. Terrific stuff from Vasper Drakes. Mervyn Dillon appreciates that. Remarkable. Absolutely remarkable.
He's hit this one nice and hard. It's in the air, and what a catch! Well, I'm in Iqbal now. Just watch this. Up she goes. Oh, unbelievable! That is just unbelievable. We'll have to look.
Verma, second over and in the air, and is he gone? You better believe it. That is a ripper. We've seen some great catches here at Kenrara.
Good. And just look at this again. It was going wide off him. Just look at this. Oh, what a great catch. Oh, he comes off with a beauty. Isn't quite. Has he caught that? Has he caught that? Going to his right. There was a bobble or two. Wonderful work from Chris Gale.
Well, it went in and then went out of his hand, I think. Yep, I thought it did. Oh, oh, an acrobat. Well done, lad. Terrific. Yes. Well done. I thought he dropped it, but he dropped it twice and then caught it. Yeah, good effort.
He's also a world-class contortionist.
That's gone up in the air. Will this be taken? Chance for South Africa. What a stunner. Absolute stunner. Wow, Dale Steyn with a breathtaking catch.
Well, I don't know what they're doing there, but this is absolutely magnificent. I didn't give him a prize for catching this. Dale Steyn, opening bowler, athletic, crowd on the feet. This is a wonderful catch.
And showed off his prowess behind the stumps.
Oh, that time he's gone. He is gone. Good work by Sangakkara. Great anticipation. I think he was looking to play that sweep shot. He was shaping to play the sweep shot. And Sangakkara's anticipation was outstanding. Well, Ravi Bopara should consider himself unlucky. But look at the work. Look at the work by the wicketkeeper. He was shaping to play that shot.
Brilliant acceleration by Smith. It's just gone and... Oh, well done, Smith. That's a brilliant catch. Sangakkara has done that a few times, but Smith ran all the way across the slip.
About to start his last over. He's bowled 3 overs, has none for 20. It might be 1 for 20, or will it be none for 26? What a great effort! That's unbelievable! That is sensational! Bevan Small is on the field, the 12th man, is it?
This is brilliant. Look at that. Look at the awareness. Look at the awareness. And it wasn't an easy one at the end for Mason, who was backing up there. But look at the awareness, knowing he had to jump. First of all, he timed his jump brilliantly. Absolutely brilliantly to get it, and he's in the air and got it back. I think this is fair catch.
Possibly the most brilliant piece of fielding I've ever seen, Mark, because he's had to throw that whilst he's in the air.
The play.
Just give him out for brilliance. Just reward brilliance. You can't not reward that. You have to reward that.
He's fine anyway. He took off in the field of play. There's no problem at all, and that is just unbelievably good. From the 12th man.
Imagine if Mason had spilled it.
He doesn't want to imagine that. There's the thing.
Tells you why the thrilling fielder who gets done matches around. Yes, Yuvraj Singh has been an outstanding fielder for India. Oh, this is a fantastic catch.
6, minimum 10.
Hit that well. Well enough. Not well enough. Hello. He got it. That's outstanding. Now the umpires are going to confer that. Not sure if this is out yet. They're not sure whether it's out. He's caught it, tossed it up, ran out.
Who gave the tourists a lift?
It doesn't look from that angle like it was, mind you. That's not a great angle. What about this one here? I think he's got that water, but here we go. Magnificent catch. The padding's all we care about.
Simply amazing. Yeah, he's got this one. How well has he got it? How well? Oh, brilliant piece of fielding. What a great piece of fielding. What a terrific catch. Oh, I thought the game had everything, and now it has. That is simply the most amazing thing you'll see. And we'll have another look at it to see if it's all legal and proper. But
so seeing that he would have taken himself over the boundary,
legal delivery.
just
Fair.
lobbed it to his partner.
Thank you.
can't have anything over.
He's inside, he's thrown it before he's got up there, so that's all good. And the catch is completed. Yeah, that's all fine. That is out. Confirm it is out.
Oh dear. Well, Shane Watson's taken the catch, was going to overbalance, has thrown to his fielding mate before he went over the rope, kept the ball in the air obviously.
Plain as day, it's out. Brilliant thinking by Watson. He's taken it right in front of the sign. Watson doesn't touch the rope. Flicks it to someone else before his body gets taken outside the boundary. And it's Jared Denton who'll be credited with the catch.
That's a big one. Oh, what a catch! What a catch! This has to be the catch of the tournament till now. We would have seen many, many more brilliant catches, but this one would really hold on its own. No. Perfect timing. George Beatty. But look at Tim Southey. Stretching to perfection. Realizing that he'll be stepping over the line. Throws the ball back in. And Karun Nair was very much present there. Presence of mind, taking that one-handed catch.